My name is Ezekiel, and I'm in Mr. Javel's class, and I'm in 2nd grade. I'm going to show you some of my math work. This is counted by twos.
So in this one, you had to really count up high, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay. So this is all counting by twos?
Yep.
Wow.
That's the end.
How much do you like doing math?
Yeah, I liked it. It's okay.
What's your favorite subject?
I would say reading, but I'm good at both because every math test I got a 100. Every reading I moved up a level, and every spelling test I got 100 too. I'm doing good at 2nd grade.
Hi, my name is Katana Gonzalez, and I'm in 4th grade. This is Casali's class. We're reading Stone Fox, and Miss Casali's reading it to us, and we're making inferences. An inference is when you use clues and information you already know from the text, or passage, or the book, in which this case we're doing. They help you understand what you're reading because they give you more information about what you're reading, and you can find out what the clues and use all the clues from the text of what you're reading. I like this book so far. I love being in 4th grade because it just makes me happy that I love school, and 4th grade is awesome. It's awesome, really.
I'm Samara, and my teacher is Mrs. Casali, and I'm in 4th grade. We've been learning some facts about New York State. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the state flower, the rose. This is the state gem, garnet. The state animal is the beaver. This is my first year in McNab, and I love it so far. I love being in 4th grade.
Hi, my name is Theodosia. I'm in 3rd grade. Mrs. Ferretti's class. We're using Yes Man to understand and read. The M means for me in TTQA. The A means author's evidence, and I had to find a detail from the book. The second A in author's evidence, and I had to find the second detail in the book. The last M is me closing, and I have to find the evidence fits. I have to explain why the evidence fits. It's fun to be in 3rd grade, and I like to be in Mrs. Ferretti's because she is so nice, and we get to go on her Chromebooks and everything.
My name's Alana, and I'm in 2nd grade, and my teacher is Mrs. Harrington. I'm learning about author's purpose. Author's purpose is to persuade, inform, and entertain. An office of persuade is I could be convinced of something when I read this. An example of inform is I read this to learn about something, the life cycle of the ladybug. An example, entertain, I read this for fun, Harry Potter. 2nd grade is awesome, and I love it.
My name is Isaiah. I'm in Miss Allen's class, and I'm in 4th grade. This is our new series, Go Math. We are doing greater than, less than, or equal to, and this one right here is 524,116 is greater than 61,090. So you would put this right here that way because that is greater than this one. This is less. This problem right here is leadest to greatest. We used a number line to leadest to greatest, so we know where the number is on the line. I like being in 4th grade. It's really fun. You get to learn more stuff every year.
I'm Maymo Giordano. I'm in grade 3 and my teacher is Mrs. Tice. This is last night's math homework. We had to use the data from the table to figure out our answers to get it all correct. This was last night's math homework. Here's a review question that I did last night. There are 472 people in the concert hall. What is 472 rounded to the nearest hundred? It's 500 because 7 is higher than 5, so you make that a 0 and make the 2 a 0, and that 7 reminds the 4 to turn into a 5. 3rd grade is really good so far, and I hope to have a great year. In 6th grade, my sister in the Eaglewood and G got a really high score before my brother beat her. I hope I can do the same too.
Hi, my name is Marisa Diagon, and I'm in 5th grade, and my teacher is Mrs. McNab. We're working on the power of yet, and it's something that you're not there yet, but you're going to get there. This is a yet graph. This is, I'm not able to multiply decimals yet. I'm not a professional acrobat yet. I am not a professional dancer yet. I am not a Z in reading yet. I do not know everything yet. I'm not ready to take on the world yet. So this question is, what is your plan to get there? And I said, my plan is to work hard and make it happen. This is like a quote that I liked. So it's, all things are difficult before they are easy. I like 5th grade, and I'm looking forward to my last year in McNab.
My name is Matthew Sadie, and I'm in 5th grade, and my teacher is Mrs. Williams. We're working on exponents and the powers of 10. For example, 10 times 10 equals 10 to the power of 2. So, well, they want us to say the second power of 10. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is the fourth power of 10. And that's what we've been working on. Here's a word problem we had to do. The sun is about 93 times 6 to the 10th power miles from Earth. What is the distance written as a whole number? So I did 93 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 93 million miles. I had to explain 50,000 using exponents. So first you put 10, then put the exponent of 4, then times the exponent by 5. So that would equal 5 times 10 to the 4th power, which is 50,000. And that's what we've been working on in 5th grade. Some of the work in 5th grade is hard, but I have a workbook at home to work on it, so it gets easier. I like being in 5th grade, and I'm looking forward to our state capitol trip. So I can't wait for that to happen.